Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, applying automatically custom filter using folder paths. Here, I created two custom filters for Word document. To automate the import of Word document while using my custom filter, I need to use a project template. In my project template, under Settings, Language Independent Resources, go to the Filter Configuration section. Here you can see I created two rules. According to the first rule, any Word document imported from a folder named Translate Comments will be imported using my first custom filter. According to my second rule, any Word document that is imported from a folder named Import as Comment will be imported using my second custom filter. If I import a Word document not from a folder name according to those two rules, memoQ will apply the default filter. Let's see how that works. Here, you can say I have one document in a folder not named according to my rules, and I have two subfolders created according to my rules. There's one Word document in both of those subfolders. Go to memoQ. I'll import the folder structure. Here, in the document import option, you can see the first Word document will be imported using the default filter. The second and the third document will be imported according to the custom filter I created. Thanks for watching.